This is a continuation from the previous experiment. What's left now? In the last experiment, one of the jars had a 3/4 teaspoon of Epsom salt in 1 cup of water. And at the end of the experiment, it tells us to take out 1/4 cup of that contents and to put it in a glass pan. And that is what you see here after a day or two of the water evaporating. All right, look at the bottom of the pan. What do you see?
White glass-looking stuff.
All right, take your index finger, which is your pointer finger, and scrape some of the solid from the bottom of the pan. And then take it and rub it between your thumb and finger to crush it. And how does it feel?
Oily.
Oily? Okay.
I don't feel much of anything.
Maybe you need to scrape some more.
Yeah.
Can you get some? Try over in this section. There might be some you can grab from there. How does it feel?
It feels hard.
Let's look at it under a magnifying glass. Interesting. All right, go ahead and get a pinch of Epsom salt. Rub the Epsom salt between your thumb and finger to kind of crush it there. Okay. And how does it feel?
It feels hard like the soap.
I think it's crunchy.
Crunchy. Okay.